makeup minions, I'm Kim Witte from Witte Artistry, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button below to become part of my family. And don't forget to hit the bell next to it so you actually get notified when I release a video. We're going to talk about some awesome Halloween products today, something that really steps your costume or cosplay game up to the next level. Get them on level, everybody! I'm going to talk about Mehron Tooth FX, or tooth enamel. So, if you haven't heard of this stuff, it comes in all sorts of colors. I currently just got a black one. Thank you to my awesome patron, James. And I already had a nicotine one, but it also comes in like green and red and all these other disgusting kinds of colors. But basically all it is tooth nail polish. So sometimes it separates, but you shake it all up. Gotta get it nice and mixed. This is my mixing face. There we go. So you get it nice and mixed, so it looks like a little bottle of nail polish. This stuff is mouth safe. Do not put nail polish in your mouth or on your teeth or marker or whatever else you guys think you should put in your mouth. Only use mouth safe products. So this is a mouth safe product. It has a little brush like a nail. Well, if it's not broken. Well. It's very upsetting. So apparently my little, there we go. My little brush actually popped off of the lid. But it comes with a little brush like nail polish. And it's a material that smells strange and tastes strange when it's wet. But how you use it is you shake it up, take it out, dry your teeth off with like your shirt or a towel or something, and then you're going to apply it directly to your teeth. Do not swallow your lips, do not eat the stuff. You just want to stay like this for a while and fan it. Just like that. It tastes bad if it's wet, and if you close your mouth prematurely, you kind of wipe off a lot of the product. But once it's dry, it stays on your teeth and looks like your teeth are really gross. So how you use this is once you put it on, you can sort of mess with how much you want on it. Like if you just want your teeth to look really yellow, you could put on some of this and then smear it around with a finger. Or if you want to look like your teeth are made of corn, you just lather that on and just leave it. You can create a variety of effects based on how much you put on and where. The black is special in this way. People usually use the black to make a tooth look like it's missing. Like you just put it on one tooth and then it looks like you don't have a tooth in some lightings. And also, I have seen it used to make your mouth look super disgusting, like I did on my Salazar video. Or is it that side? I can never remember which side it's on, but you can do it that way. But another really fun effect is to use the black tooth enamel to sort of block out the corners of each of your teeth, and then when you're done, it's a super cheap way to make it look like you have really expensive demon fangs. So let me just show you some of these effects. Here we go! Here's the black. Gonna mix it up because it does separate. And I won't be able to talk when I'm putting it on, obviously, because I gotta wait for it to dry. Let me just wipe my teeth off. Okay. So what I just learned, adding more layers to your tooth when you dry it off, just dab it gently, because if you rub vigorously, it will take the product off. If you were wondering what the product smells like, or tastes like, I do not encourage you tasting it. Do not eat it. Follow the instructions, wait for it to dry. But the smell that it gives off is definitely very alcohol-y, mixture of like rubbing alcohol and mint. Is what it at least smells like to me. It dries pretty quickly, like in under 30 seconds. So that's awesome, and it stays on. It is temporary, obviously. It's temporary, and the way you take it off is by just brushing your teeth. It'll feel like little flakes of paint are coming off. It's kind of gross, but it's totally worth it. When you add this to a costume, it really takes it to the next level. I'm going to show you what the nicotine one looks like now, and I'm just gonna kind of lather that all over my teeth, and I'm going to make it less intense by breaking it up with my finger. Oops, I almost forgot the most important step. You gotta dry your mouth off. Yum. As for burning sensation or the intensity of the smell, I definitely think nicotine has more alcohol in it than the black does. They're still both just as safe, but as you can see, my teeth look absolutely beautiful. Would you go on a date with me? I'd date me. I'm gonna go brush my teeth off, and I will time how long I'm brushing my teeth and let you know about how long it takes to get the stuff off. And then when I come back, I want to show you how to make the cool demon teeth effect with the black, because I think it's a super cheap, awesome way to really make a creepy mouth. Be right back. That literally only took like 15 seconds of gently brushing my teeth in circles. The only thing that makes it a little difficult to get off is if you get any in like the cracks of your teeth, then you have to do a quick little flossing, but I didn't have to. Literally 15 seconds and done. So now I'm gonna dry my mouth off again, and we're gonna get a little crafty with the black and see if we can make ourselves look like we have sharp teeth. Here we go. I'm gonna do the top first, then the bottom, because I don't think I can do it all in one go. So using their clunky little brush to paint it was a little more difficult than I was anticipating, but you get the point. You can change the shape of your tooth, or you can make yourself look like you have a chipped tooth, or whatever you're kind of going for. I'm going to switch over to a paintbrush and see if I can make better pointed teeth on the bottom. Then I'll do it on the top. Here we go! Alright, so you get the point. It kinda changes the shape of your tooth. You definitely have to use a brush if you want something more precise. So I've seen similar effects done with like tooth wax, but it's less permanent. It's kind of like rubbing a colored, chalky, waxy substance on your teeth, which comes off slowly over time, whereas this is pretty permanent until you eat or apply friction, like scratch at it or brush your teeth. But these are only like $7 to $9 each, and they last a really long time. So if you can't afford like dental grade veneer fangs or those moldable teeth or whatever, it's a really awesome solution to have your costumes be that much cooler for a very long time. Okay, I'm gonna take this stuff off, and I'm going to do one more look, which is applying the black like I applied the nicotine, which is everywhere, and then just sort of smudging it out just to let you know what it looks like. Delicious. Yum. And you can drink water with this stuff. Like I said, friction is mainly what takes it off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I totally appreciate it, and I really hope that this video helps you up your Halloween game, because get on my level. If you are interested in these products, I will have links in the description and in the comments. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small percentage of the sale, but that's up to you if you want to get them. But I love you guys, and I will see you next Saturday. Or whatever next day I'm posting a video, because Halloween season.